guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm doing a Chinese makeup haul. I bought a lot of Chinese makeup products lately and I want to share it to you guys. My favorite Chinese beauty brands are Kaleidos and Flower Knows, and I bought stuff from Flower Knows' 2 latest collections as well as some items from Kaleidos. Which one is your guys' favorite Chinese makeup brand, if you have tried any? I also want to try out Girl Code in the future, they look super interesting. Let's start off with Kaleidos. I only have 2 products here. I really like the new Kidos blushes. I only ordered one because I have too many blushes to go through, but I picked the color I like the best. This packaging has like a padded soft cushion with black lace over it. I really like all the small details, and also feels very heavy in the hand. Lately I saw a lot of videos where people put dark under eye blush, like a dark plum, dark red shade under their eyes, and looks super good. Then I was suddenly inspired to get a shade like this. I bought it and I haven't tried it once. I'm scared it won't turn out well. I need to find a day to try this out under my eyes. I'm worried it would be too pigmented, but I think the shade is super interesting. I don't have a red blush like this. I will try it out the next days and let you guys know how I feel about it. Love the packaging. I hope the blush will be great as well. I had a blush previously from Kaleidos, it's already discontinued and I really like that one. And the other product from Kaleidos is their new contour palette. I almost dropped it. This feels super heavy, guys. This feels like a solid piece of metal in my hands, which it is. I don't think I have anything in my makeup collection as heavy as this product, which makes it really interesting. So this is what the shades look like. We have a... Is this warm? I think this is slightly warm. This one's cool and this one is a brightener highlighter shade. I still have the package with me here. I haven't got to try it out really. Now that I look at it, it might be too light for my skin tone. I've gotten darker lately, but I really like the idea that they put in a warmer bronzer shade, a cool contour shade, and then a highlighter shade for brightening under your eyes and high points of your face. Looking forward to try it out. I hope I will like it. I really like the cool futuristic looking package. Now we have the Flower Knows products. Recently they released the Swan Ballet series as well as the Little Angel series, and I got products from both collections. I always get really impressed by Flower Knows' beautiful packaging, and I really love the brand because the quality is just as great as the packaging. They came out with 3 eyeshadow palettes and I bought the pink Swan one. It's also what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I really love all the pink shades. The shimmers are really good and the mattes are really blendable, smooth and creamy. Let me show you guys some Flower Knows magic. It looks so beautiful. Also, don't mind my broke nails. These 2 broke off. I'm waiting for them to grow out a bit. This is the other shimmer. They're really sparkly and pretty, and this is my second Flower Knows palette. I really like their eyeshadow formulas. If you haven't tried Flower Knows eyeshadows before, I think they're definitely worth the price. When I choose eyeshadow palettes, I feel like I always go for the ones with beautiful shimmery shades in it. I think shimmery, glittery eyeshadows are more valuable to me than matte eyeshadows. And the other product is a blush from the Swan Ballet series. I feel like all the blush shades in this collection is very light and pale. If you have darker skin or if you don't like a brightener blush, I don't think you will like the blushes in this collection. I tried it out a few times. I actually really like it. I like to take a powder puff and pat it under my eyes. It's something I started to do lately and I really like the look it gave me. I did it today as well. It brightens up under your eyes while giving you a little bit of natural looking color, and it's just really popular and trendy in China right now. And then we also have the Music Box loose powder from the Swan Ballet series. This is such a work of art. It's beautiful. I haven't opened it and tried it once. It's just so beautiful that I don't want to touch it, but I will try it out in the next days. I think this is like one of those viral pink loose powders that I've seen a lot on Instagram. And the last product is the Swan Ballet lipstick. I got in the shade Sweetheart. I actually really like this lipstick. It's nostalgic, it brings back memories. One of the first lipsticks I've ever bought when I started wearing makeup was a bright neon pink lipstick on sale at Sephora from Sephora collection. It broke off later and I still scraped out the rest and applied it on my lips and finished the lipstick off, and this smell instantly reminded me of that. I had already forgotten about the lipstick, but smelling this reminded me of it. It was a really awkward looking bright pink color in a satin finish. It was very moisturizing on the lips though. I applied it a lot and looked like a clown. But it's alright, it's my early beginner makeup days. I've changed a lot now. I had already forgotten about the lipstick, yet smelling this reminded me of that story. Anyways, back to this lipstick. This smells like the Sephora collection lipstick. It's also a very nice glowy finish. I really like to apply this on my lips. It feels like a lip balm. It feels like, you know, one of those really moisturizing stick lip balms, but it also gives a really nice sheer color. This is something I'd recommend if you want a shiny, glowy lipstick in a lip balm feeling. This is perfect. And moving on, we have products from the Little Angel collection. Eyeshadow palettes are my favorite to purchase, so let's start off with the eyeshadow palette. This is a Little Angel palette. I'm amazed by your beauty. This is a Little Angel palette. I lost my words again after looking at the eyeshadow palette on the screen. This is a Little Angel 9-color eyeshadow palette in Eden's Garden. It looks like this. There are some very wearable, very useful neutral matte shades as well as 3 shimmer shades. The matte shades are really easy to blend, and the shimmery shades go on the eyelids really easily. It applies well, sticks onto your eyelid well, and gives you the pop of shimmer. I really like the eyeshadow formula from Flower Knows. They did a really great job, and this is my biggest palette from Flower Knows so far. All the shades in this palette is very useful. You can definitely find a use for every single one of those shades, so I'm very happy. The eyeshadows work really well, and the packaging is really beautiful. This is a win-win eyeshadow palette. Have you guys tried any eyeshadow palettes from Flower Knows? This is a highlighter and blush from the Little Angel collection. You guys can see all their products in this collection have the beautiful holographic foil under the surface. I got the highlighter in Chanting Anthem. I swatched it only twice, and I haven't actually dipped with a brush in it to really apply it onto my face. As you can see why I feel guilty about dipping my finger in it. Last time I put my finger here behind the wing. I'll do it again today. It's like a beige white kind of highlighter. It's very wearable actually. I didn't wear highlighter today. I can put it anywhere on my... Oh, it's pigmented. It doesn't really show up on the camera, but actually I have some really strong highlighter here on my nose. It's not a very shimmery or glittery highlighter. It's very natural looking actually, and gives me a nice sheen. But I love those glittery highlighters as well. This one is just a natural looking one that is suitable for a lot of different makeup looks and occasions. And next we have the cream blush from the Little Angel series. This is the first time I've seen Flower Knows do a cream blush. I tried it out twice. It's very easy to blend, it's very creamy, but I think the shade is very light and won't suit a lot of skin tones, as you can see. My finger keeps shaking. I'm the kind that can't have steady fingers, as you can see. This is what the shade looks like. It's actually very pale. It's very natural looking and would suit you if you like this no makeup look, minimal makeup look, but I don't think it's pigmented enough or like darker enough for me to pair with a lot of the makeup looks I'm doing. And finally we have a lipstick from the Little Angel series. The packaging is really cute as well, isn't it? This is a lip clay, lip matte kind of formula instead of a solid stick shape. Feels like a lip cream, lip clay, and applies on super smooth onto your lips. Also, last time I tried it out, I applied only on my bottom lips and then like did this with my lips and blended it out with my fingers, and it was smudge proof. It didn't move anywhere, it didn't transfer onto glasses. So I think if you apply a little amount of this, it's transfer proof. Let me switch this shade for you guys as well. I thought this would be more nude looking than this, but it's actually a very beautiful rosy brown kind of color. It's super creamy and feels really nice on the lips, and you can also use this as a blush. And these are all the new makeup products I got. I think over the years I've becoming better at choosing makeup products that will suit me, that will work for me, that I will like a lot, so I'm very happy about that. Let me know if you guys got any new makeup products as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!